Savior Shield is an absolute game changer for law enforcement and the security industry.
The Savior is a shield that is effective, lightweight, versatile, and affordable. Anyone who's going to put their life on the line deserves a Savior Shield.
The Savior Shield is created for protectors that run towards danger. Active shooter incidents happen very quickly. You need to respond aggressively, contain or engage as quickly as possible. No other device but the Savior Shield will allow you to do this.
Really, it's about that ability to maybe put some hands on people, maybe deploy another weapon system, and also have it slung on your back if needed and redeployed at a moment's notice.
In my experience in utilizing the Savior Shield in high-stress situations, I wouldn't use anything else.